In this video, we will go over the two erection kits from Medintim. There are two sets. One is the Active3 automatic set and the other is the manual pump. Both sets come with the following items: 5 constriction rings of varying sizes, a charger for the Active3 head, the guide sleeve and cone, a tube of lubricant, a handy travel case for storage, and the instruction manual. The rings are made of a flexible material. Start with the largest size and work your way down to an effective but comfortable fit. To begin, attach the guide sleeve and cone onto the end of the pump. These will be used to load the ring onto the base. Lubricating the cone makes it much easier to load the ring onto the pump and minimizes the chance of it breaking. When secured, you can pull the constriction ring over the cone onto the base of the pump and then remove both attachments. Lubricating the opening improves the seal against your skin. With a prepared pump, gently lower the cylinder over your penis. Make sure the pump is pressed against the skin for a tight seal. It's important not to overpump as it can cause bruising. If you feel more than mild discomfort or pressure, stop and try with less pressure later. Press the top button and hold it down until you are erect. Slide the constriction ring down onto the base of the penis. This should break the seal and release the vacuum automatically. You can wear the ring for up to 30 minutes to support your erection. If you need to release the vacuum at any point, you can do so by pressing and holding the lower button. With the manual model, the pump is pumped by hand. Release the vacuum by using the small side button. To remove the ring, pull on both sides and hold for 2 to 3 seconds to release pressure in your penis. Then slide the ring over the top.